Topic 11, Personnel and Security. Part 2, Information Security Professional Credentials. Many organizations rely to some extent on recognizable professional certifications to ascertain the level of proficiency possessed by any given candidate. Because some certification programs are relatively new, their precise value is not fully understood by most hiring organizations. The certifying bodies work diligently to educate their constituent communities on the value and qualifications of their certification recipients. Employers struggle to match certifications to position requirements, while potential information security workers try to determine which certification programs will help them in the job market. The International Information Systems Security Certification Consortium, IST², offers security certifications, among them the Certified Information System Security Professional, or CISSP, the System Security Certified Practitioner, SSCP, and the Certified Secure Software License Cycle Professional, CSSLP. Considered one of the most prestigious certifications for security managers and CISOs, the CISSP certification recognizes mastery of an internationally recognized common body of knowledge in information security covering the following domains: access control, business continuity and disaster recovery planning, cryptography, information security governance and risk management, legal regulations, investigations and compliance, operations security, physical security, security architecture and design, software development security, and telecommunications and network security. The CISSP requires 4 years of experience or a bachelor's degree in a related field and 3 years of experience and an exam. The associate of IST² can be earned upon a BS in a related field, and it becomes CISSP when appropriate years of experience are gained. No additional test is required. There are different concentrations of the CISSP. One is the Information System Security Architecture Professional. They focus on access control systems and methodology, communications and network security, cryptography, security architecture analysis, technology-related business continuity planning and disaster recovery planning, and physical security considerations. The Information System Security Engineering Professional focuses on system security engineering, certification and accreditation and the risk management framework, technical management, and U.S. government information assurance-related policies and issuances. The Information System Security Management Professional Enterprise Security Management Practices concentration involves business continuity planning and disaster recovery planning, security management practices, systems development security, law, investigations, forensics and ethics, and security compliance management. The Systems Security Certified Practitioner certification is more applicable to an entry-level security manager than a technician, as the bulk of its questions focus on the operational information security. The SSCP focuses on practices, roles, and responsibilities as defined by experts from major IS industries, and covers 7 domains. These are access controls, cryptography, malicious code and activity, monitoring and analysis, networks and telecommunications, risk response and recovery, and security operations and administration. There are also additional specialized certifications offered by IST², including Certified Authorization Professional, Certified Cyber Forensics Professional, Certified Cloud Security Professional, Certified Secure Software Lifecycle Professional, and Healthcare Information Security and Privacy Practitioner. Formerly known as the Information Systems Audit and Control Association, ISACA promotes 4 certifications: the Certified Information Security Manager, Certified Information Security Auditor, Certified in the Governance of Enterprise IT, and Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control. The CISM credential is geared toward experienced information security managers and others who may have information security management responsibilities. The CISM can assure executive management that a candidate has the required background knowledge needed for effective security management and consulting. The exam covers information security governance, information risk management and compliance, information security program development and management, and information security incident management. ISACA's Certified in the Governance of IT certification is targeted at upper-level executives, including CISOs and CIOs, directors and consultants with knowledge and experience in IT governance. The exam covers following areas: framework for the governance of enterprise, strategic management, benefits realization, risk optimization, and resource optimization. The newest ISACA certification is the CRISC, Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control, which prepares and enables IT professionals for the challenges of IT and enterprise risk management. CRISC certification exams test applicants over the following domains: risk identification, risk assessment, risk response and mitigation, and risk and control monitoring and maintenance. Applications must also have 3 years' experience in risk management and IS control. ISACA touts the CISA, Certified Information Systems Auditor, as being appropriate for auditing, networking, and security professionals. The exam covers the following areas of information systems auditing: the process of auditing information systems, governance and management of IT, information systems acquisition, development, and implementation, information systems operations, maintenance, and support, and protection of information assets. The System Administration Networking and Security Organization, SANS, has developed a series of technical security certifications known as the Global Information Assurance Certification, or GIAC. The organization now classifies its training branch as SANS and the certification branch as GIAC. The GIAC certifications can be pursued independently or combined to earn a comprehensive certification called the GIAC Security Engineer and enhanced at Gold or Expert status. With the introduction of the GIAC Security Leadership Certification and the GIAC Information Security Professional and the GIAC Certified Project Manager certification, SANS now offers more than just technical certifications. The EC Council Certified CISO exam tests not only security domain knowledge but also executive business management knowledge. The certified CISO domains include the following: Domain 1, Governance, Policy, Legal, and Compliance. Domain 2, IS Management Controls and Auditing Management. Domain 3, Management of Projects and Operations. Domain 4, Information Security Core Competencies. And Domain 5, Strategic Planning and Finance. The Computing Technology Industry Association, CompTIA, the organization that offered the first vendor-neutral professional IT certifications, the A+ series, now offers several security-related certifications. These include Security Plus, Mobile App Security Plus, and CompTIA Advanced Security Practitioner. The CompTIA Advanced Security Practitioner is the organization's newest mastery-level certification. The exam covers industry-wide topics including enterprise security, risk management and incident response, research and analysis, integration of computing, communications, and business disciplines, and technical integration of enterprise components. The CompTIA Security Plus certification tests for security knowledge mastery of an individual with 2 years of on-the-job networking experience and an emphasis on security. The exam covers industry-wide topics including network security, compliance and operational security, threats and vulnerabilities, application data and host security, access control and identity management, and cryptography. The Certified Computer Examiner (CCE) certification is a computer forensic certification provided by the International Society of Forensic Computer Examiners covering ethics and law, hardware, networks, operating systems and file systems, preparation, acquisition, authentication, analysis, although primarily using the NTFS file structure, presentation and reporting, and media geometry. Certifications cost money, and the more preferred certifications can be expensive. Given the nature of the knowledge needed to pass the examinations, most experienced professionals find it difficult to do well without at least some review. Certifications are designed to recognize experts in their respective fields, and the cost of certification deters those who might otherwise take the exam just to see if they can pass. Most examinations require between 2 and 3 years of work experience, and they are often structured to reward candidates who have significant hands-on experience. Many information security professionals enter the field after having prior careers in law enforcement or the military, or careers in other IT areas such as networking, programming, database administration, or systems administration. Organizations can foster greater professionalism in the information security discipline by clearly defining their expectations and establishing explicit position descriptions. More recently, security professionals have entered the field after getting bachelor's or master's degrees from an accredited university program.